Hello, I would like to brief you on our Q3 result. Our profitability remained stable and cash flow was strong in the third quarter, despite the uncertain market environment and rather weak demand. Our gross margin for products continued to improve and reached a new record. However, this positive impact was largely offset by the continued weak volumes. Excluding the machine closure in Stenay, France, our deliveries were 4% lower than in the previous year. As a result, our comparable EBITDA was on the same level as in the previous quarter. Excluding the negative EBITDA impact of 6 million euros from bringing down inventories through lower production, the result was largely in line with last year's level. Following our increased focus and active working capital management, I'm very pleased with the very strong operative cash flow of 125 million euros, which enabled us to reduce our net debt. The prevailing market environment is not promising much tailwind, and we are therefore proceeding with measures to improve competitiveness. We target savings with an overall impact of at least 50 million euros for the year 2020 compared with this year. In addition, the integration of the recent acquisitions has proceeded well, and we are on track to exceed the promised synergies. In September, as a result of our regular assessment of the most value-creating structure for our businesses, we announced that we are exploring strategic alternatives for our Decor business. Today, we also announced that we have signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding to divest the fine art business in Arches, France. In the third quarter, we completed 2 strategic investments and continued to introduce new value-added products for our customers, including an expanded range of filter media for industrial air applications and an innovative plastic-free material for technically challenging U-shaped drinking paper straws. We have implemented actions to improve our competitiveness and drive profitable growth, and we are taking action on our strategic opportunities. Therefore, I have confidence in the future despite the weaker market environment. Thank you.